Reminders. You can receive emails or SMS from quintaDB which will remind you about some records which has date column. If you have database with date or date and time column, you may want to be notified once this date will come. In this case, reminders will help you. For an example, I will use a database with tasks for employees. Here, there are such columns as the task name, the responsible person and the completion date. To create new reminder, I need to open Reminders tab and click on Create Reminder button. On this page, I need to choose what type of reminder it will be, email or SMS. Please note that SMS is an additional resource. You can buy them on the payment and statistic page. Next, I need to avoid how many days before the event send reminder. If you specify the number of days with a minus sign, then the days will be counted in the reverse order. Choose Date column and enter email or phone recipients. They can be located in the table, or I can enter them separated by comma. Also, I can choose the repeat period. That's all. Now my employees will receive reminders and days before the date. Now I want to edit template. I'm writing a subject of the letter and move on to the email text. In the editor, you can format your text as you like. Change font, size, insert image, and else. Also, you can use the data from the database right in the letter. To get your record values, use HTML field names, which you can get from the drop-down below. For example, I'll use a column with the responsible person name and column with task. Now let's check our employee mailbox. Now as you see, Mr. Dawson will not forget to check and print attendance list. But what if I want to send reminders only under a specific condition? For example, I will add the task status column to the table with two options, active and inactive. And I want to send reminder only if the task is inactive. Using the reports will help me with this. I need to find and separate only active tasks. Next, I'm clicking on Save Report button to create a new report with found records. Now, I can create a reminder for this report and all messages will be reached to the right people at the right time. Open Reminders tab and select Report Table as a data source. Hope you'll find this database reminders functionality useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to quintaDB channel to watch all our new videos. More information on quintaDB.com.